They're selling them. Let's go 24.50 short. The gap is let me see. Yesterday's close is 15.50. That's our target, 15.50. Looked like the market got way too long over Globex. The market rallied up to 37. There was resistance at 40. It was resistance between the afternoon session from the 14s to the 25s yesterday. It was some two-sided trade with a bias to the sell side on the close. You see IJ, KLM period couldn't get above the 25s. So you can have a pretty good day down today. But if we get to the 1550, we'll take the first 10 points times two contracts and look to get back in if everything later looks okay. It'd be nice to make some good trading decision today. Stop the end of the week on a winning side. We've had a tough week. All sorts of factors created some losing trades. Even though we had some pretty good broader market, might say insights, we failed to act on them correctly, and we made a couple mistakes yesterday. We thought the destination trade was the gap at the 75 area, and we were unable to change our mental outlook, even though the data started to build in the opposite direction, and we got ourselves a losing trade and a winning trade yesterday, but ended up negative by a couple points at the end of the day. We had a good trade location at the 96s, but we got out 1302. We'll have kept that trade all day. But the gap close at 1308 was our target, and went right past that and closed at the high of the day, just about. Not at the high of the day, but closed higher than 02, obviously. So we'll just stay here and see if we can reach our target on this one. Well, look at that. We got down to 16 and we didn't tick 1550. I got up for a second, and now we're back up to the 20s. Believe that, huh? All in a matter of a minute. We're going to stick with this trade. This trade could be a really good trade. Well, it would have been nice to recognize the quick exit at 1650, though. Look at this. Now, just in 1 minute, went from 16 to 22. Typical of my trading the last couple days. Let all my profit go back, and then it turns into a losing trade. That's something that's got to be rectified, huh? Hard to do a trailing stop when the market moves so fast, though. Oh well, what can you do? We'll pause and see if we get back down there. Well, we're getting close to our target at 1550. Well, it looks like an open drive day. We're gonna just stay with the trade here. $246,000 is the volume here so far. That's pretty amazing. That's way above normal. Normal volume at this point is average volume is 127,000. Statistically high volume is 245,000. We're above that, and the average range is 4.75 points for this opening period. The statistically high range is 8.25. Oh, I'm sorry, 7.75. So we got a good trade on here. Now we just got to figure out what to do with it. Oh, we might start back here. 1310. I mean, we're going to have ups and downs today, but I think it'll be a little bit easier to get on the right side of the market today. We're just going down and down. Good. The CPI came out, and it was probably better than everybody thought, and of course this is why we are having a big retracement, because it was better than everybody thought. So everybody got long, and here we go. Maybe today is the destination trade down at well, I don't know about down to 75, but our target now is probably down below Globex low, the G period low, 1298 possibly. We're going to take the 1306s here. This is, well, we're not going to take the 1306s. This is almost too much to bear. Haven't had a trade like this. We're going to take 1307s out. 1307 out. 1307, baby. We'll look for a re-entry. We'll produce this snippet.